Let's replace the C switch on the 2016 Chevy Malibu. The switch is not working. It's intermittent. Sometimes it does this, sometimes it moves forward and backward. But one thing for sure, the weak line doesn't work at all, right? It only goes back, it won't go back up. So that's why the seats are stuck in that position. So we're going to replace the switch. So we need to remove this trim piece here. It is it's held by two C25. It's C27. Here it is right here. Two C27. One located underneath here, and there is one on the side. I'm gonna show you the one here. Here it is. We're gonna remove it. Let's go. As you guys see here, the bolt is loose here, so we're going to move it forward the best. As you see here, it stopped working. Yeah, that's it. It just won't go anywhere. So we're gonna have to improvise here. So you can take the back bolt. It's located right there. Let's go. We're going to do it through the back, so we can. You guys see this bolt here? It's a T27. Here it is. Let's try to pull it and disengage it. There it is. What we're gonna remove the old switch, the old button. Right? So it doesn't come with new one. We have to reuse them. Do the same thing here, sir. There it is. So the switch is pretty much ready to come out. So with a pick like this, we're going to disengage each one of those, right? While pushing the switch out from this side. There is about 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 3 at the bottom. Disengage all of them with a pick or a flat-blade screwdriver and push the switch out. It was the old switch. Now we're going to remove the old tab here. Push it out that way, like this one. You push it, take this tab out, and we're going to squeeze the connector and remove it. So here's the new switch is plugged in, and let's push the tab out and let's test it to see if it's working. There it is. The recline works, so yeah, that's all it was, guys. It was the faulty switch, and we're going to put it in place, and you're gonna hear it click when it's fully seated. Let's go. Let's push it in. There it is. All good. We're going to put this wiring harness, attach it to the bottom part here. Just put this thing in. Do the same thing here, so. Perfect. It's all good, guys. Now all we gotta do is put those things back in. You hook it over this bar, right, and put the bolt in, and that's all there is to it. We are good. Here's the other bolt. You put it that way, and the other one at the bottom, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.